Alright guys, so today we're just going to be doing an oil change on the S2000, and we might wash the car as well because you know the weather peaking. Check this out, it's pretty sick for winter weather, and we might build a workbench, maybe. We'll see how things go. But anyways, yeah, first things first, let's do the oil change. So for those wondering, I'm actually going to be running the 10 watt 30. The reason why I run the 10 watt 30 is because I actually don't know, and we're going to be using this OEM Honda filter. I'm pretty sure this is the right one, OEM. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so the car is now all jacked up, and now time for the oil change. Don't want to dirty this fresh new hoodie, ZPG Garage, so let's take it off. Alright, we just took off the fresh new hoodie. Wait, what? New shirt as well? Wait, what? I guess one of them has to get dirty. Probably rather dirty the t-shirt. So yeah, but anyways, let's get started, yeah, because Mun's waiting for the tools, so let's go. Alright guys, oil change all done. Topped up the oil, levels all good. Now just gonna warm up the car, let it idle for a bit and see if the oil level drops, and if it does, gotta add some more. And no guys, new shirt and already got oil on it. Suss this out. No, fresh ZPG shirt, already got oil on it. No. But what do you guys think of this new burgundy color? I don't know if I said it right. Let me know in the comments down below. And what do you guys reckon of this new tan sandstorm? I don't know, what do you call it? Maybe it's a tan color, but yeah, let's go. And like I said guys, comment down below, what do you guys reckon of this new tan hoodie as well? Check that out, 100 times way better. That's this. Alright, let's have a suss, let the car idle a bit. Beast, not too bad for a base model S2K. I wish I had the Type R version, but yeah, guess not. So we just, yeah, we stick with the base model. We'll deal with what we got. Sounding good, and it looks pretty sick. What? Engine oil all changed, and now let's have a car wash, because check this out. Look at the S2K, ever since it got defected, neglected hard. Look at that, damn, hella dirty. And who remembers a few videos ago I bought this super serum clean as fuck soaps to wash the car. So which one I'm gonna try today? Probably try this one, because I've tried this one and this is pretty good. So this is new to me, haven't tried it. So yeah, let's suss this one out. This is the apple juice for fapping. So there it is, the S2K is now all clean. Look how clean it looks. But obviously it's not as clean as this fresh new hoodie. Check that out, what do you guys reckon? But the super serum apple juice did pretty well. Look at it, 100 times, way better. I know I missed a few spots, but yeah, let's just not look there. But check that out, first time trying a soap, and it looks pretty sick, hella clean. I know I didn't try the car, but yeah, it is what it is. Check this out, hella clean. Damn, would it look cleaner with the TEs and the lip and the Voltex rear diffuser, everything back on, but we'll see, time will tell. And guys, I know I said I was going to make a workbench, but the sun's going down, so maybe I'll make it tomorrow. But for now, yeah, let's just soak in the S2K, hella clean now. Alright guys, a new day today and the weather's peaking once again, so I thought let's come out and try and build that workbench. So as you guys can see right here, we have some wood. So we got a flat piece for the bench top, and then we got the rest for the legs. So as you can see here, I think we're just going to make this in the most simplest way, which is to just make a frame for the top and then put some legs, and then it should be good to go. Also, I don't even know if I bought the right piece of wood, guys. Like, I don't even know if this is treated or not. So if it rains, yeah, it's probably gonna stuff up. And guys, I kind of wish I bought a better piece or better looking type, but this is what happens when you shop last minute, half an hour before they close. But anyways guys, before the sun goes down, let's get started. We're gonna go old school, use a handsaw, and yeah, let's go. Also, for those wondering how big this is, the bench top is 1.2 by 600, and I might make the height about 1 meter, so nothing too big, but it should do the work. Alright, just a quick update. If you're wondering why I'm wearing glasses, because the concrete is so bright, so every time I look up it's like I'm dazing off and it's grey. But check this out guys, so we got the frame, haven't bolted it in as you can see. So we got the frame and now I'm just making the legs. We are going off with, yeah, like I said, 1 meter in height, so basically just gonna measure out the rest like that. mark it out here. There you go. And then do the other 2 legs. So yeah, we're halfway there, basically just cutting everything first, and then we can bolt it in. Like, I'm nowhere near done yet, but just looking at the frame and the bench top, I'm actually getting keen, sussed it out. It looks so neat and sick, but we won't find out until the final product. But yeah, legs will sit something like that. Fuck. Psych. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Did you realize something different with the way this video is filmed? You know, I thought I'd try something new, but you know, this style takes me a bit longer to edit and film, so hopefully the results at the end are worth it. But comment down below, what do you guys reckon? You know, I might do more of these in the future, maybe not, but anyways, yeah, let me know. And you guys see that workbench I built? Pretty sick. I know it's not the best one built, but I reckon every garage needs one. Probably a better built than mine. And you know, it doesn't have to be the same as mine. It could be smaller, could be bigger, but yeah, what do you guys reckon? But once again guys, thank you for sticking by, thank you for watching. Make sure to give this video a fat like, PHAT, and let me know down below what you guys think of this new filming style. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Laters. Wait, what? Whose car?